Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add and delete section in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and here select the page where you want to add and delete sections. Okay, once you are in this specific page editor, now scroll down and for example, I want to add a new section here. All you have to hover over on this little blank section and here you will get this add section option. So just click on add section and now from this left hand menu you can select any ready-made section to add into your Wix page. Here you will get bunch of different categories. You can go to about, gallery, theme, contact. For example, you want to add a featured section, so go to featured section and now for example let's this featured section, so click on the section to add and as you can see the section has been successfully added in my Wix page. Now again, for example, I want to add another section at the top of this section. So here's I'm hovering on this little blank space and clicking on add section. And now to add a blank section, all you have to need just click on blank section. And as you can see, a blank section has been successfully added into my Wix page. Now you can select the blank section and click on this add elements icon. And now from here you will be able to add any elements according to your requirements. So this is how we can add section in Wix website. And if you want to add a strip, click on this add elements icon and just click on strip. And here you will find a bunch of different categories. You can select any categories. Let's select about category and let's add this strip into this blank section. And as you can see, the strip has been added. Now to delete any section, all you have to need, select the section and click on this three dot and here click on delete, or you can directly press delete button on your keyboard to delete the specific strip or section. So this is how we can delete and add strip in Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.